This is a quick review of COLZER Professional Countertop Blender for Smoothies. Just in case you are interested in buying, I will leave a link in description for you. This blender has 2200 watt power motor to crush through whole fruits, vegetables and ice in seconds. It's suitable for blending since it retains powerful nutrient and vitamin extracts to provide you with great taste and nutritious beverages. It is sturdy and durable. Its blending jar with BPA-free is built to last, an easy-to-hold handle, and BPA-free lid. The blender base is also equipped with anti-slip suction feet, so you can blend safely on your kitchen countertop. Also, its stainless steel blades are designed to handle the toughest ingredients, so be assured from the first blend to the last, you will get the same quality results. All materials of this smoothie maker are BPA-free. The sturdy, non-slip large handle prevents your hand from slipping out of the handle while pouring the milkshake. Guards every food creator. With a drop of dish soap and warm water, your professional blender can clean itself in 30 to 60 seconds. This blender package comes with 2200 watts motor base, 2 liters blending container, blender tamper and a manual guide. If you love this, check out the link in description.